What's up, everybody? Today we're going through the text function and some of the cool things you can do with it. We're going to look at how to show today's date, the day of the week, current time, percentage, fraction, month, and the year. Anything like that. So with this, it's pretty open with how you want to change it. So we'll just jump right in. It's better to do it than actually talk about it. So first we're going to go equals text, because we're going to show text. And what text does is it converts a value to text from a certain format. So right here, we're going to have a value, and let's say we want today. So that's another function, equals today. And if you close the parentheses, it'll center on the current date. Then we're going to add that comma, and because it's a text function, we're going to add quotation marks. We'll go month, month, slash, day, day, slash, year, year. Close those, and then close the parentheses. We have today. Then we're going to do the day of the week. So today we will go right here, text today, and there we go, equals text today, again just like before. Then we're going to format it as day, 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 day. Close the quotation marks, close the parentheses. Don't forget to add your comma. Then we're going to go current time. Current time right here. This one's a little bit more straightforward. So we'll go text now, close those parentheses just like we did with today. Add your comma. Quotation marks, we'll do hour, minute, minute. Let's move that cursor out of the way. And then we want AM/PM. So is it going to be morning, night, whatever. Close those quotation marks and the parentheses. There it is. Then every time you hit F9, it should refresh for you. Yep, there you go. Then percentage, all we're going to do right here is we're just going to go equals text, and then we'll select our value. So we can go right there. And maybe you have that written in another spreadsheet. You can put in a column next to it and fill all the way down. Text, and then we're going to put it quotation marks, and we'll go 0.0 percentage. Close the quotation marks and the parentheses. There it is. Fractions. Fractions are always tough to show in Excel because they want to convert so often. Just go equals text again. Whoop, there we go. Equals text. We pick our value. After we do that, we're going to go quotation marks again, and then we will do £, or hashtag depending on your age, question mark, slash, question mark. And those luckily are the same key, so you don't really have to remember too much. Close the quotation marks, close parentheses, voila. You got yourself 13 out of 3. In fraction, or month, this one is a lot more straightforward. Let's say we wanted to pull the month out of this date. We have a bunch of these dates on a bunch of projects, and we want to make sure, okay, what's in March? How do we break that out? I don't want to filter, I don't want to change. Equals text, pick your value, comma, quotation marks, month, 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 close it, close the parentheses, and there it is. And we'll do the same thing for years, the exact same. Text, pick that one, comma, quotes y, and there it is. There you go. Text functions in about 4 minutes, and great. If this has been helpful, share it with whoever. Hit that subscribe button. See you next time.